औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम सूरह बकरा आयत 170 व इज़ा क़ीला लहुमुत्तबअू मा अंज़लल्लाहु क़ालू बल नत्तबअू मा अल्फ़ैना अलैहि आबाअना अवलौ काना आबाअहुम ला यअक़िलून शैअन वला यहतदून. English translation of this verse: And when it is said to them, follow what Allah has revealed, you see the hypocrites turning away from you in aversion. Word to word translation of this verse: Wa'iza, and when, Qila, it is said, Lahum, to them, Attaba'u, follow, Ma, what, Anzala, has revealed, Allah, Qalu, they say, Bal, rather, Nattaba'u, we follow, Ma, what, Alfaina, we found, Alayhi, upon, Aba'ana, our forefathers, Awala, even if, Kana, were, Aba'uhum, their forefathers, La, not, Ya'kulun, they understand, Shay'an, anything, Wala, nor, Yahtadun, they are guided. Explanation of this verse: this verse criticizes those who reject divine guidance in favor of following the customs and tradition of their ancestors, even when those customs are contrary to what Allah has revealed. It highlights the hypocrisy of such people who, despite being invited to follow the true guidance of Allah, refuse to do so and prefer to adhere to outdated or misguided practice. The verse point out their irrational behavior as they blindly follow their forefathers' ways despite the lack of understanding or guidance among their ancestors. Reason for the revelation of this verse: this verse was revealed to address the attitude of some people who resist embracing the truth revealed by Allah because it conflicts with their traditional practice. It underscores the futility of relying on ancestral customs when they are not based on sound knowledge or divine guidance. The verse serves as a warning against blind adherence to traditions and encourages people to follow the truth, regardless of its divergence from inherited practice. Even related to the revelation of this verse, the verse reflects the broader context of the early Muslim community interactions with those who oppose the teaching of Islam. It addresses the resistance faced by the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, from those who were entrenched in their pre Islamic traditions and were refused to accept the new divine guidance. The verse illustrates the challenge of reforming deeply ingrained cultural and religious practices that were not in line with the revelation brought by the Prophet.